Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can add cash on delivery option on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're gonna find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of your screen, you're gonna find all of these sites that you have on Wix. So go to the sites you want to edit, hover your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, just wait for your dashboard to load and then you're going to be right here. So once here, just go to the left side of your screen and then you're going to find all of these sections right here. So right now, right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the setup section, home, getting paid, sales, catalog, blog, apps, and so on. So right now, go to getting paid. Go ahead and give it a click. And then here you're going to find connect and setup, pay links, invoices, price quotes, proposals, and POS checkout. Go to connect and setup. And then here you're going to find start accepting payments. Accept one time or multiple payments for any item, service, or amount. To get paid using these tools, first connect the payment method. Go ahead and click on connect the payment method. Then here you're going to find choose how you receive payments from customers for your business. So here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the available payments methods. Here, PayPal and Android, you're going to find manual payments. Allow you to accept cash, check, or other custom forms of payment. So if you want to add a cash on delivery, go ahead and click on connect for manual payment. And then once you do that, you're going to be right here in this page. So once here, just go to manual payment type and then make sure you choose cash on delivery. Once you do that, right here, just add a little description. Let customers know how to pay and then click on connect. And after that, you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.